We are doing a sound test of this JBL Clip 4 versus this JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker in this video now. Hi guys, great day, this is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification icon so you will be updated every time I upload. And today, I am doing a sound test of this JBL Clip 4 and this JBL Go 3. All the sounds you're about to hear are raw and unfiltered so that you may be able to listen to the sound test very effectively. Well, you can use your headphones or high quality speakers if you want to really experience the sound. So let's start with this JBL Clip 4 right here, the orange and black variant that I have. Powering it on. Let's do the sound test. So that's it, and right now let's shift to this JBL Go 3. Alright, so that's about it. Tell me what you think. Which one do you love? The JBL Clip 4 or the JBL Go 3? Put it in the comment section. And this is Rai. Please subscribe. See you on the next one. Have a great day. Boom.